Howdy folks, and welcome back to the channel. Well, they finally got me my correct transmission. Let's see. Got the right one. You can see right here, right down there, that's the neutral safety port I needed. That wasn't on the other one. So after all the rigmarole of having to haul this one, well, the old one, well, the new old one that was wrong, I had to haul that damn thing all the way 2 hours from here back to FedEx to ship it back, and then had to wait another week or so for this one to show up. When this one showed up, they brought two transmissions. One was a two-wheel drive Chevy transmission and then mine. So they were trying to deliver somebody else's transmission to my house. So I got that all sorted out, so that guy gets his transmission. Anyways, that should be the right one. I think I might do a little unboxing video of all the parts that just came in for the mini bike project that we're going to do after this. So let me get the camera set up and then we'll do unboxing of all the parts that are coming for the next projects. Alright, peace. Alright, let's dig in and see what we got here. When I bought this motorcycle, I was missing the valve cover, no spark plug in it. I did pop this off. And this thing is rusted all to hell. So I had to buy this kit so I could get this flywheel off. This right here is a flywheel puller set for motorcycles and stuff like that. So that'll get that off. Let's see if we can get this thing stay where it needs to be. I've got to jam something under it. There we go. These are rear spokes for the XR80. They're all broken and stuff, so I'm going to try my hand at lacing the wheel. And we got the rear spokes for the little JR50 that the grandkids riding around. Let's see what else we got here. And we got the gasket set for this motor. What else we got here? Let's see what we got in there. What we got here? Got a new ignition coil. I still have the old one. It might still be good, but I just bought all these parts just if I'm going to put it back together, I might as well put it back together right. You know, with some newer stuff on it if I can. Let's see what's in this one. This one has new rocker arms with adjusters. What else we got here? Got our new piston and rings and pin. Let's see what we got here. Oh, this is for the Honda four-wheeler. New master cylinder for the Honda four-wheeler. Definitely need that, so we can get some brakes on that damn thing. This is for the big four-wheeler, 4 tracks. So that's 4 tracks parts. What else we got here? Oh, You got an OEM fuel cap, $30 damn fuel cap, but dirt bike was missing the fuel cap too, so you imagine how the tank looks in that one. We got a new fuel cap for it. Got a used valve cover because it didn't have one, so I had to buy one. We got a used valve cover. What else we got here? Let's take a look in here. Got all new valve springs, new valves, keepers, and all that good stuff. I figured I was going to need those because this thing was froze solid, and then I soaked it for like 3 to 4 years in transmission fluid and everything down the hole. And I finally got it to turn over, but there's something in there sticking. I don't know if it's just a bunch of dirt and crap inside the piston that's just not letting it go up, or if one of the valves is stuck in it. Just in case, I didn't want to deal with bent valves and have them tear it all back apart again just to redo the valves. Then we got a chain. Got a new chain for it because the chain that was on it was, well, you could hold it and it'd just stay in the shape it was in. It was done. What else we got here? Back in there. This new points and condenser for the dirt bike project. This is a neutral switch for the 4-Trax 4-wheeler. This neutral switch went out, so it won't start unless you rig up the wire to a ground, so it'll ground out. You get this one opened up. I think this one's the carburetor. I bought a new carburetor because with the gas cap being off and water getting into it, who knows how good the old one was. I never even looked at it. We got a new cable, new grips and throttle control. And a new carburetor. There's a few things I still need to get that I didn't really quite think about. I still need to get some inner tubes for the tires and stuff like that. There you go. There's all the parts for the next projects coming up. I still got to get the truck finished first, so I'm going to try to get on that tonight. Get some videos of that. Just trying to get that underneath the truck and up onto the jack and everything all by myself is kind of a, let's just put it this way, it's kind of a pain in the butt. This, you know, weighs like 300 pounds. So there's all the parts. Whoop, whoop, whoop. But yeah, you can see that this motor does turn over. Stops right there. As soon as that valve goes down right here, it's like the piston comes up and hits something hard right there. So, and it has made a couple revolutions, but I'm almost positive that this valve's going to be bent. It goes fine through that one, and then as soon as this one goes down, it hits the piston. So either there's a bunch of crap in there, or this valve's bent real bad. One of the two. We'll figure it out when we tear this apart. That'll be a fun video there. I can't wait to get this project going, because that's kind of like the stuff I like messing with. I don't mind messing with cars and stuff either, but motorcycles and ATVs and stuff are my favorite fun stuff to work on. Trucks and cars, those are necessity kind of things to work on. But anyways, guys, that's going to wrap up this video, and I'll get some more videos out and we will see you on the next one. Peace.